Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Chicharon Crackers, the crunchy snack taking over global snack shelves. Crunchy, salty, and packed with flavor, Chicharon Crackers are quickly popping up everywhere from convenience stores to online shops. These snacks put a modern twist on the classic pork rind, turning it into a lighter, crispier treat that people can't stop munching. Fans love Chicharon Crackers for their bold taste and satisfying crunch. They're easy to share, perfect for dipping, and great on the go. As more snack lovers look for exciting alternatives to plain chips, it's no surprise these crackers are making waves far beyond their home markets. The origins and cultural significance of Chicharon Crackers. Chicharon Crackers have a story rooted in tradition, yet they've transformed into something uniquely their own. While you'll find them side by side with classic pork rinds on snack shelves today, there's a fascinating journey behind their rise. Understanding where Chicharon Crackers come from, and how they fit within Filipino and Asian food culture, gives every bite even more flavor. History of Chicharon Crackers. Chicharon Crackers trace their beginnings to the classic chicharon, or pork rind, a snack that's been popular for centuries in the Philippines and across Asia. Traditional chicharon uses fried pork skin, which puffs up into crispy bites. Street vendors, home cooks, and food stalls all play a part in chicharon's story. To make Chicharon Crackers, food makers took the same love for crunch and added a twist. Instead of relying only on pork skin, they found ways to blend starches and seasonings into dough, then fry or bake it for the same satisfying lightness. This new style made Chicharon Crackers more accessible and allowed for countless flavors, minus some of the heaviness of the original. Key differences from traditional chicharon. Chicharon Crackers use flour or starches as their main base. Traditional chicharon sticks to pork skin. Crackers are lighter and often puffier. They can be entirely meat-free, making them suitable for more diets. Roots in Filipino and Asian cuisine. Both classic chicharon and crackers hold a special place in Filipino food culture. Chicharon is often enjoyed with vinegar dips, added as a crunchy topping for dishes like pancit, or served as a bar snack. The crispy, salty snack symbolizes celebration, comfort, and gathering around food with friends or family. When Chicharon Crackers came along, they kept those strong ties to community. Their presence spread beyond the Philippines through Asian supermarkets, where people snapped them up for picnics, parties, or a quick midday treat. The crackers also fit naturally alongside other Asian crunch snacks like prawn crackers or rice crackers, earning their own corner in the snack aisle. In Filipino and Asian food culture, chicharon and its cracker cousins are shared during holidays and big meals with family. Served as pulutan, snacks paired with drinks, at parties or gatherings. Given as gifts, especially in festive, colorful packages. Paired with soy sauce, chili, or vinegar-based dips for extra flavor. Their crunchy texture and rich flavor have made Chicharon Crackers a bridge from past to present, connecting generations through snacking. The simple act of sharing a bag brings a taste of heritage wherever you are. How Chicharon Crackers are made. Chicharon Crackers bring a light, crunchy bite whether they're made at home or coming off factory lines. The way they're made, along with the choice of ingredients, shapes everything from the texture to the flavor options you'll find in shops or your kitchen. Here's a look at what sets apart the homemade style from commercial production, and what gives Chicharon Crackers their range of exciting flavors. Traditional methods versus commercial production. When done at home or by small-scale makers, Chicharon Crackers show off the personality of the cook. The process starts with choice ingredients, often a blend of flour or starch, commonly wheat, tapioca, or cassava, a dash of salt, and sometimes animal or seafood flavors like pork, shrimp, or fish. The dough gets rolled or shaped, then sliced thin. Here's the basic rundown for the handmade style. Mix flour or starch with water, seasonings, and any base flavors. Knead and shape the dough into thin sheets or rounds. Slice into bite-sized pieces. Dry them out for several hours or overnight. Sun drying is still common. Fry the dried pieces in hot oil until they puff up and turn golden. The homemade method often yields crackers that are a bit uneven. Some pieces are puffier, others crunchier. This irregularity adds charm and flavor, since every bite can be a little different. The taste of homemade Chicharon crackers is usually deeper, with a rustic crunch and a strong just-cooked aroma. On the other hand, commercial producers use machines to make millions of Chicharon crackers at once. The recipe sticks to the basics for consistency. Industrial mixers blend huge batches of starch and seasonings, and conveyor belts move the dough through rolling, cutting, drying, and frying stations. Factories fine-tune the temperature and timing down to the second for a perfectly even puff and crunch. Key differences to remember. Homemade crackers often use fresh ingredients and may tweak flavors by hand. Mass-produced crackers focus on uniform size, texture, and shelf stability. Factory batches skip sun drying and use big dehydrators for speed. You'll notice more predictable crunch and flavor from bag to bag with commercial brands. Both methods have fans. If you crave rustic flavor and don't mind a softer crunch, homemade style hits the spot. If you love a super crispy texture and bold, even flavor in every bite, commercial bags win out. That's it for part 1. We've explored the basics of Chicharon crackers, but stay tuned for part 2, where we'll go deeper into the making process and some delicious ways to enjoy them. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.